milk amata, to milk gukama. She milks the cow every morning. Akama inka buri gihe mu gitondo. Fish ifi, to fish kuroba. We went to the river to fish. Twagiye ku iriba kuroba. Hammer inyundo, to hammer gukubita inyundo. He hammered the nail into the wall. Yateye umusumari mu kibambazi. Book igitabo, to book. To book ni ugufata ikintu mbere yuko abandi bagifata, kubokinga. I booked a ticket for the train. Nabukinze itike ya gari ya moshi. Nabukinze itike ya gari ya moshi. Wave umuraba, to wave gupepera. She waved to her friend. Yapepeye inshuti ye. Cook umutetsi, to cook guteka. He cooks rice for dinner. Ateka umuceri ku ifunguro rya nijoro. Water amazi, to water kuhira cyangwa se kuvomerera. I water the flowers every morning. Mvomerera indabo buri gihe mu gitondo. Fly isazi, to fly kuguruka. Butterfly ntabwo ari isazi, butterfly nicyo kinyugunyugu, gusa fly ni isazi. Then to fly kuguruka. The birds fly in the sky. Inyoni ziguruka mu kirere. So please subscribe for more and thank you for watching.